Good morning, everyone. This is Swami Bunia with Perma Bliss, and we are going to present our project on microprocessor and interfacing. This project is organized and created by me and Bliss. The name of the project is Patient Health Monitoring Device. We have made this project to monitor the patients in this pandemic by sitting in home. It monitors the BPM and temperature of a patient who is ill and far away from their belongings. The previous in the project, we are talking about how we will work with the circuit, how we will work with the software, and how we will connect to it with each other. So in the previous review, we have talked about the Arduino code. We have written the half of the Arduino code to set up the circuit. We have also debugged the code and removed the errors. Now we have also built a hardware by using the Tinker software using Arduino, which is connected to a display, a resistor, and a microprocessor chip, which is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So in the screen, now you can see the hardware component, which will be which is connected to our software in the laptop. As you can see, the circuit is starting when we activate our software. The circuit will show the display will start and shows the temperature and BPM of the patient. Now the sensor which is held by Bliss is the BPM sensor. By touching it, there is a change in the BPM. You can see in the display. And this sensor is connected to the A0 node of the Arduino circuit. Now the second sensor which is touched by Bliss is the temperature sensor, which will make changes in the display in the Fahrenheit. You can see. Now this display is connected direct to a potentiometer, which by which using we can update or we can change the contrast of the display. You can see in the screen it's changing. So this sensor and display is connected to the Arduino board. As you can see, this transfers the data from the sensors to this Arduino board, and this Arduino board transfers the data to the laptop. We have tried to connect this information into website by using a website known as ThinkSpeak, but as the Wi-Fi module was not available in the Amazon in this pandemic, we are unable to connect this. So we have concluded our project to this hardware. As I said, we have not get the Wi-Fi module, but in the previous review, we have showed you the simulation of how it will work in the Wi-Fi by using the Wi-Fi module.
So, sir, for the Wi-Fi module, we did it into simulation successfully, but the Amazon did not have it, and other sites we also checked. So, for that reason, we could not include it in our hardware. Otherwise, in the simulation, it was running perfectly fine. This is the hardware we have done here. You can see. We also got the Arduino board, the apparatus, all the processes were explained by Swan. The software
So hope you have
coding,
like
the software coding was mostly done by Swan, and the hardware parts were available at my place, so they were ordered here, and we assembled through the Zoom call together.
so this is our project, sir, which we have made in this pandemic, and it was a very tough time, but we connected with each other virtually, and we made this project. And very much thank you, sir, because your models also help us in making modules also help us in making this project, and also we are very much happy that we get a professor like you. So thank you helping us and giving us a good guide, and hope you have liked our project. So thank you, sir.